How much money have you made from AI so far? If your answer is zero or so low that it can't even cover your tool costs, then honestly, I'm not surprised. I'm not saying that you're bad. I'm saying that this whole ecosystem built around AI is designed to keep you that way. Let's be clear. AI is probably the biggest opportunity of our generation. And that is exactly the biggest issue with it. A lot of beginners are rushing into it, and a lot of people are taking advantage of that. AI made everyone think they can get rich and make a lot of money without putting in much effort. It lowered the bar so much that people started selling you the idea that you can use Cloud Code or anti-gravity and vibe code a multi-million-dollar SaaS with little to no coding experience, or use ChatGPT to become a copywriter and sell services to other people, or follow AI gurus who keep posting endless videos about side hustles, money hacks, and easy ideas. But all of that can become one big trap if you follow it blindly. It keeps you stuck as a consumer forever. You end up paying for random courses, paying for multiple tool subscriptions, paying for more Cloud Code or anti-gravity tokens before you've even made enough money to cover all of that. Now yes, it is true that staying stuck is not completely your fault. But I don't want this video to turn into cope or another excuse for you. You can break out of the loop once you understand how this ecosystem works. And I'm going to do my best to guide you through that. And no, I'm not going to sell you any course or a coaching program like the others. I'm not selling you anything actually. All I ask from you is just to like the video and subscribe if you find it useful. That's it. I'm treating this video like I'm speaking to my younger self, because like you, I was stuck in that loop for a while. So take this as a big bro advice. When I first started looking for ways to make money with AI, I used three main things, which I call the three main pillars of this ecosystem. I watched videos from people teaching how to make money with AI, or what most of us call gurus. I watched them on YouTube, which was the platform I chose to learn from, and I used a couple of AI tools along the way, both to learn and to build the services I wanted to offer. So those are the three main pillars: gurus, platforms, and AI tools. Now let's take a look at how each one makes money in the first place. Let's start with AI gurus. They make money from three main sources. First, there is YouTube ad revenue. The more videos you watch from them, the more money YouTube makes and the more money they make too. Second, they make money from courses, private coaching calls, and paid communities they sell as extra help. And third, they make money from brand deals and affiliate links, including deals with tools they recommend in their videos. So basically, they make money when you stay stuck and keep watching them, or when you pay them. They don't make money when you win. Most of these creators give you what I call half-truths. They give you just enough free information to make you feel confident. They give you just enough to make you feel ready. But they never give you enough to actually make money. And that's the trick. Most of their videos are the same business idea over and over again, just packaged differently. Different thumbnail, different title, different hook, but the core idea stays the same. For example, you might see one video called Best Way to Make Money with AI in 2026, and it tells you to build SaaS using vibe coding. Then the next video is called Stop Coding. This is how you can use AI to make money, but it's still basically the same thing. The idea is repeated a lot, just in different packaging. And again, they show you enough to make you feel like you can do it, but not enough to make it actually work. Then at the end, they tell you buy my course, join my school community, book a coaching call, and get extra help. And because the free information was incomplete, a lot of people fall for it. They buy the course, they buy the coaching, they join the community, and in most cases, they still end up with zero income. So now you spend money on extra help, but you're still stuck. And because you're still stuck, you keep paying for more help. That's the loop. And if you think about it, it makes sense. If everyone wins, these gurus lose clients. And if you win, you could become competition to them. That's why they often make things sound easier than they are. Because who doesn't want to make money with little effort? They sell you the dream that you can vibe code a SaaS with tools like Cloud Code, but they show you how to prompt and how to use the tool while leaving out all the real problems that come with it. They don't tell you if you have zero coding experience, these tools can maybe help you build a prototype at best, but not a real production ready SaaS. So then you think the business model doesn't work. You switch to another guru, you switch to another business idea, you buy another course, and you stay stuck as a consumer forever, waiting to find something lazy that magically works. That brings us to the second pillar, the platforms these gurus appear on. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anything else, it doesn't really matter. These platforms make money from advertisers paying to show ads on the videos you watch. So for them, the more you watch, the more they make. That's why they have what we call an algorithm. Its job is to keep you engaged and push more videos your way so you stay on the platform as long as possible. If you're using these platforms only for entertainment, then honestly, the algorithm is great. It gives you more of what you like. But if you're using them to learn how to make money with AI, then that same algorithm can hurt you. And it's not fully the platform's fault either. It's the people taking advantage of it. That's the gurus again. Here's what usually happens. You browse YouTube looking for ways to make money with AI, but your homepage still has videos from your old interests, so you search manually. You type something like how to make money with AI. Now YouTube gives you a list of videos. Each one has a shiny thumbnail, each one has a glowing green text, each one says some insane amount of money per month, so you click one. You start watching, you get hooked. The creator gives you confidence and the idea sounds simple and doable, so you get excited. You leave the video thinking, yeah, I can do this. Then you refresh your homepage, and now it's full of more AI money videos. Each one has a more tempting thumbnail, each one has a better title, so you click another one. Now the second video seems better than the first one. The idea looks easier, so now you're already doubting the first idea. You decide you'll start the second one. Then the cycle repeats. Another video, another idea, another business model, another switch. And just like that, YouTube made 6 more ad views. You switched business ideas 6 times, and your income is still $0. That's the problem. You think you're learning and progressing, but really, you're just consuming content. You feel busy, you feel like you're moving, but in reality, you still haven't started anything. And that's exactly how these platforms waste your time. They sell you the illusion of progress while you're still standing in the same place. Let's move on now to the final pillar, which is the AI tools. These tools make money from the subscriptions and token referrals users pay for. They don't make money when you win with them. Sure, that can help you do a lot of things, and yes, that can help you make money too, but only if you already know how to use them properly. A lot of these tools sell you the idea that once you pay for them, you'll be unstoppable, that they'll do the work for you, that all you have to do is sit there, prompt, and you're good to go. And that exactly what lowered the barrier a lot. It made things easier for a lot of people. People who never coded can now build websites in seconds. People who never designed images can now generate images in any style, at any given moment. A lot of people are building with these tools, but the average output is still pretty bad. And because these tools make so many things easy, people become dependent on them. They stop being able to work without them, so they keep paying for them month after month after month. People keep refilling Cloud Code tokens. They think they're close to building something, then they hit the token limit and they have to refill again and again and again. They waste a lot of money without really making any of it back. And if you have zero coding knowledge and rely purely on what Cloud Code builds, honestly, they'll probably never get much out of it. For the companies making these tools, they don't really care whether you make money or not. As long as you keep paying for tokens and subscriptions, you're the perfect customer. So yeah, now you see how this whole ecosystem wants you to stay as a consumer forever. A lot of opportunity is being sold to you, a lot of fake success is being sold to you, and you keep chasing it, but nothing seems to work. Now that you understand how you're being taken advantage of and how they see you as the perfect customer, let me show you how to break out of it and actually turn the tables. My first advice is simple. Learn the basics manually. If you want to build a SaaS, learn how to code. Learn how to build something production ready. Learn the best practices. Learn how apps actually live in the real world. Because the people making money with AI right now are usually people who already have experience with what they're building. They're just using AI to speed things up and add more creativity. That's it. Don't expect to have zero experience and then suddenly use Cloud Code or Anti-Gravity to magically build and debug your SaaS. That's just not realistic. Sure, maybe someone out there did it with zero coding experience and made money. I can believe that, but that's 1 in a million, and to be realistic, that probably won't be you. Now, here are the steps I would personally take after that. First, take a few days, or even just 1 day or 1 week, and browse YouTube for people making content about how to make money with AI. But don't go there with the mindset that you'll just copy and start building directly what they say. Go there to collect ideas. Look at enough of them, then step back and think for yourself. What can I actually do? Pick one lane and stick with it long enough. Put in the time to learn it and build it. It usually comes down to this. Find a problem, use AI to build something that solves it, use AI to make your work faster. Whether that's a SaaS or AI automations, it doesn't matter. I'll focus on what I know best, which is AI automation. Then find clients. And this is where most gurus will tell you to start cold calling or doing cold outreach. But let me tell you something. If you're a beginner with zero proof, that's one of the fastest way to get discouraged and fail. Nobody cares what you built if they don't know you. Start with people you already know. Get your first clients from your contacts. Build a portfolio of wins, then people will start coming to you. Build a brand. Share what you know. Document your journey on YouTube or LinkedIn. That's how people start noticing you. And give it enough time, of course. You'll see the difference. And finally, stop paying for every tool out there. You can use free and open source tools too. A lot of them are just as useful. For many famous tools, there is an open source alternative that can give you a lot of the same value for free. Take for example Cloud Code. You can use OpenCode, which is a free open source alternative to Cloud Code, and pretty much does what Cloud Code does. So yeah, just hook it to OpenRouter, find an open source LLM, and you'll be ready to go. So yeah, I know you hear these tips a lot, but that's just the reality. I don't want to sit here and start bragging and tell you that you can do this, do that, this is a fast hack to get clients or whatever. That doesn't actually exist. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, as I said, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot. And I hope I see you in the next video. Goodbye.